Good morning all. This is Senthilkumaran, Assistant Professor, Department of Visual Communication, Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology, deemed to be University. Today we are going to see about Multimedia Static Element Video Lecture 2. So what is text in multimedia? Text with powerful meaning, that is letter, number, special characters. Text allows the user to navigate into the multimedia presentation. It can be in the form of label for title screen, menus, buttons and tabs. When come for menus, menu is a series of linked item that serves to postcard website navigation between the different pages or session of a site. There are several kind of menus depend on the website content and design. This is one example. So next is button. Buttons allow users to take actions and make choice with a single tab. Button communicate actions, choice that user can take. They are typically placed throughout your website UI. UI is user interface and they should be easily findable and identifiable while clearly indicating the action they allow a user to complete. So tab acts as the highest order section or category. They are purposefully broad so the user can gradually channel into the user interface to access more specific content without having to scan all the available content in a website. You can see each tab separately. Factors to be considered for effective text. The very first one is background. Next one is foreground, size, style, leading in a website. So we will be seeing in detail about each of this topic. So background means the place in which something is going to occur. It's like a stage. So foreground, where we are going to place our text. A position where you will be noticed most. Object in the foreground seen larger than the background. Size, this represents the size of a text. It is indicated by a numerical value, how many points the text to be placed, how many points are in height of the text. A point is 1 by 72 of an inch. For example, 12 point font, if you are going to use it, you would be calculating it 12 by 72 of an inch. Next to style. A text style is a named collection of text setting that control the appearance of text. You can see bold text, italic text, underline and strike through. These are all styles to be used when it is really needed. Leading is nothing but line spacing. Leading is the vertical distance between two lines of a type. The word leading is originated from the strips of lead hand typesetters used to space outline of text evenly in the earlier printing environment. The word leading is a typographer's term for spacing the lines. You can see the examples here. This one has an line spacing of 1 point. You can see the space difference. The next example is with 1.5 point line spacing and the third example is with 2 point line spacing. You can find the line spacing, that is you can find the spacing between these two lines, that is 2 point. These are the example of line spacing for your reference. Typeface and font. What is typeface and what is font? Typeface is a family of graphic character. Times New Roman, Arial, you can say this as an typeface. And what is font then? Font is a complete set of characters of particular typeface with size and style. In this you can see this example, Times New Roman, 18 points, bold and underline. This can be categorized as font. From this video lecture, you can able to understand what is typeface and font. Thank you.